Hello, this is Amber with WaveRez, and we're going to go over how to add a new trip or a new ticket to an existing reservation. So let's say Emily here wants to go ahead and add another pontoon to her reservation. So we can do that by going ahead and adding a new trip to the reservation. So you click here, it's going to ask you if you're sure. You can go ahead and select the 90 horsepower pontoon for today, and we'll just go ahead and select something later in the day. Now it's going to give you options for the tickets. Currently, there's only a 1 hour option available at that time, and that's the equipment that's available. So we're going to go ahead and move through the new reservation. So that's going to go ahead and add a balance to her order. If you go to the trips tab, you'll see the first trip that we have for her existing reservation, and then the new one that we added, and it's also set as unpaid automatically. Now that's how you go ahead and add a ticket or a new trip to an existing reservation. Now, if you operate something like a tour boat, you can also add tickets here to the ticket section of this screen. So if you wanted, say adult tickets, child tickets, or they had an additional person with them, you can go ahead and add those to that existing reservation from right here on the ticket screen.